We'll guide you through how to screen record on a Samsung phone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So I'll cover two different methods for how you can do this. This first method is going to work on some Samsung phones, and that is where you need to go and drag down like so, and you drag down again, and you'll see these different options here now. In some phones, you can have an option for screen recorder on this page, or maybe this one, and you may even need to click on that plus button if you still can't see it, and look in here for the screen order option. Now, as you can see, for me that isn't there, so it's not available on the Samsung phone, but for some it is, and if it's available in here, then all you need to do is click on it, and you can then drag it. And to then go and use it, all you need to do is go and tap on it, and you can then go and start using it. For example, take screenshot. That would be the same for start recording if you're in the same position as me, as where we don't have the option for it. Then what we can do is go and get one from the Play Store. So open up the Play Store, go to the top and go and click on the search, and what you want to do is go and search for A to Z screen recorder, just like so. Go and search for that, and here it is. So what we can do is going and click on install like so, and we'll wait for it to finish downloading. After it's finished and it's installed, we can then go and open it up like so. You'll need to go and allow the pop-up button, which you go and do, and then what we can do to start screen recording is press on the recording button at the bottom, and then we'll just going and allow the microphone to work, and you can then press start now, and you'll then have this countdown, and we're now recording. And once you've then finished recording, you can swipe down like so, and you'll see this bar of options, and you can then press the stop button like that, and it'll then go and say video saved, and then what we can do is click on it, and you can go and play it back, and what you can do is go and share it. You can go and edit it with that pen icon, and you can also just go and delete it as well. The recording will appear in the ATOS app, and also it will be in your gallery as well. As you can see there, it is just there. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.